Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make card default in Apple Pay full guide. Open Wallet on your iPhone and tap the card you want to set as default, then tap the More button and select Make Default Card. I will walk you through checking region settings, managing cards for Apple Watch, and troubleshooting if the option is not visible. Stay with me and we will finish this in minutes. Start by verifying your iPhone region and Apple ID settings to ensure Apple Pay features are available. Then remove duplicate cards if needed and add the card again to refresh settings. Use Settings Wallet and Apple Pay to choose a default card, and remember the first card can be default for double-click on lock screen. I'll explain watch pairing, card priority, and quick checks to avoid common errors so you can pay confidently. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which fits most cup holders and really helps during on-the-go setup sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. It keeps these tutorials coming. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes cards won't show Make Default due to bank restrictions or pending verification. Contact your card issuer if verification is required or remove and re-add the card to prompt verification messages. For Apple Watch, open the Watch app and select Wallet and Apple Pay to mirror or set a separate default. I'll share tips on managing transaction alerts, prioritizing cards for transit, and avoiding accidental contactless payments with simple lock screen habits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.